there is a guy with a machete on it and with a training people, stopping the traffic, and he's training people to kill him. He's look like an Indian. Oh my God, hold on.
It was a tense evening in Los Angeles. Multiple frantic 911 calls poured in, each one describing the same chilling scene.
Hi, I am on the cross streets of Olympic and Figueroa in the city of Los Angeles, and there is a man with a sword in the middle of the intersection, and he is screaming, and he looks dangerous, and he's swinging at cars.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's definitely brown. I don't know if he's Hispanic or Middle Eastern. He has like a head scarf like covering his face and his head.
What color is it?
The scarf is blue.
Do you recall what color shirt?
I don't recall what color shirt. I got out of the area.
Okay. What about pants?
He's wearing cargo shorts. Light colored cargo shorts. I don't recall the color. And he's parked in the middle of the intersection. It's a black, I believe it's a Charger.
Okay. So black.
Dodge Charger.
And that's parked in the middle of the intersection?
Yes.
And he's swinging at just random passerbys?
Vehicles that are passing by. It's pretty empty, but the vehicles that are just trying to continue on through traffic, he's swinging at them.
Okay.
He's trying to get traffic to halt, and whoever's not stopping, he's like swinging at them.
Okay, so I have a call for Olympic and Figueroa. We'll go ahead and get somebody out there, okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Thank you. No problem. Bye-bye.
LA City 911 operator 477.
Yes, I'm calling because there is a guy on Figueroa and Olympic. There is a guy with a machete on it and with a training people, stopping the traffic, and he's training people to kill him. And he's in a black Mustang. I think it's a black Mustang, but I just have to get away. But he's screaming right now and training people to that.
Is he white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's look like an Indian. But it's important that he parked his car in the middle of the street, and he has a machete.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
It's a gray. It's kind of a brown shirt.
Brown shorts and what color shirt?
Yeah, and he has short and he has some. Oh my God! Hold on. Well, he's moving now. He's moving now to the. Oh my God! I want to give you the license plate, but I'm afraid he might come to my car and hit me with the machete. He's right next to the. Shit. Oh, hey, run! License plate is
A man was pacing the street, wielding a machete, ignoring pleas to stop. Within minutes, police officers would confront him, and moments later, he would be fatally shot. This is the story of Gurpreet Singh, a 36-year-old man from the Sikh community, whose death in a police encounter left behind questions, grief, and a larger debate about law enforcement in America. Friends and neighbors described him as quiet, someone who mostly kept to himself. But in the weeks before his death, reports suggest he was struggling. His behavior was increasingly erratic and at times alarming. For many in the Sikh community, Singh's story is not just about one incident, but about how vulnerable individuals in crisis are treated when they encounter police. The Los Angeles Police Department received the first emergency call, which says, "There's a guy with a huge machete. He's swinging it around in the street. People are scared. He won't stop." Seconds later, another call. "He looks out of control. Please hurry. Someone's going to get hurt."
Hi, can I get police to the intersection of Figueroa and Olympic? I have a individual with a blue top of his head. He's waving a machete in the middle of the street. He jumped out his car. He's running.
Figueroa
and Figueroa and Olympic.
Okay. And what is he doing?
He's waving a machete in the middle of the street, running towards cars.
Okay.
He jumped out of his vehicle, which is a black Mustang, a two-door GT Mustang.
Do you have a license plate?
I don't have a license plate because it's not one visible because I'm in the front of the vehicle.
Okay, we do have a call already there. Where is he now?
Okay. He's still in the intersection near the southwest corner in front of Fleming.
Okay. We do have officers on their way with lights and sirens, okay? Did he injure anybody?
No, he hasn't injured anybody yet. He's running towards people and they would run away from him.
Okay. Well, we have the call. Officers are on their way already.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Central units of the area suspect there now. Figueroa on Olympic. Suspect vehicle is a black Mustang. Suspect male unknown wearing brown short time with a machete. Code 3 incident 1639 RD 171.
The urgency was clear. Dispatchers sent multiple units. Body-worn cameras capture what happens next. Officers arrive and immediately spot Singh, gripping the machete tightly, pacing back and forth. His movements are erratic, his focus locked on the weapon in his hand. For several minutes, officers try to talk him down.
Drop it! Get in! Get in the car! Get in! Stop! Stop, bro! Shoot! Stop, bro! Shoot!
Their commands repeat, growing louder. Officer command, but Singh takes steps forward, moving toward the officers. At this point, the danger becomes immediate. A machete, capable of inflicting fatal injuries.
Right there, left. Oh, stand by. No. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stand by. No, partner. Go up. Stand by. Get in, bro. Get in. Go. Get in. All right, we're good. Follow him because of the pets. Stand by. Follow him because of pets. Stand by, Mike. Stand by. Drop it! Stand by. Get in. Get in the car! Get in. Stop! Stop, bro! Shoot! Stop, bro! Shoot! Stop! Get in! Hey, pursuit!
Alright, into the car now.
Pursuit.
Up his driver, and he's on the go southbound on Figueroa.
At close range leaves officers with only seconds to react.
29, show me in pursuit. Figueroa, south of 11th. On that vehicle, it's going to be a black Charger. Stand by for the plate.
I will be secondary to pursuit.
29, it's going to be for an ADW on appeal.
41 with there, pursuit.
Hey, airship, take my air, please. Stand by, Mike. Stand by. He's going around. My side.
Stand by.
Stand by. We're good.
Just north of Pico.
Stand by.
Alright, just trying to wrap another officer.
Stand by.
Fearing for their lives and the safety of bystanders, multiple officers fire.
And,
Stand by. Crossfire, bro. Crossfire. Got it.
north of Pico. Gonna be on the go north now.
You good? Stand by, dude. Stand by. He's gonna go around the circles. Stand by. Crossfire, bro.
Stop it!
Stand by, Mike.
Singh collapses onto the street. Paramedics arrive quickly. Singh is transported to the hospital, but he does not survive. Soon after, LAPD released a critical incident briefing. The video included 911 recordings, dispatch radio, and bodycam footage. The release of the footage sparked mixed reactions across Los Angeles. Some residents argued that officers had no choice. A machete, they said, is a deadly weapon, and hesitation could have cost lives. Others, however, questioned why non-lethal options, like tasers, beanbag rounds, or specialized crisis teams, weren't used first. For the Sikh community, the loss of Gurpreet Singh was devastating. Leaders called for transparency and accountability, while also urging the city to invest in better mental health crisis responses.
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and took over the rendering of medical aid for Singh. He was transported to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wounds he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. However, a few days later, on July 17, 2025, Singh succumbed to his injuries and was pronounced deceased by medical staff.
Police training experts often emphasize what's known as the 21-foot rule. A person armed with a knife or machete can cover that distance in just seconds, leaving officers with little time to react. In Singh's case, LAPD officers argued that when he advanced, the threat became too real. Many cities now deploy crisis intervention teams, specially trained officers who combine mental health expertise with policing. Advocates believe such teams could prevent shootings like this one. This incident echoes other high-profile cases across the U.S. In 2020, Walter Wallace Jr. in Philadelphia was shot while armed with a knife, sparking nationwide protests. In Fresno, a knife-wielding man at a bus station was fatally shot under similar circumstances. Each case raises the same difficult question: how should police respond to armed individuals in crisis? Local forums and online discussions reflected this divide. Some saw Singh as a dangerous threat whose actions forced the officer's hand. Others saw a man in crisis, perhaps struggling with mental health, whose death could have been avoided with the right support systems in place. The death of Gurpreet Singh is not just about one confrontation on the streets of Los Angeles. It is about a system grappling with how to balance public safety with compassion, how to train officers to handle split-second life or death decisions, and how to prevent vulnerable individuals from meeting violent ends. For the LAPD, it was another critical incident in a long history of controversial shootings. For the community, it was a painful reminder that behind every headline is a human life, a family left grieving, and questions that may never fully be answered. As the city moves forward, the case of Gurpreet Singh remains part of a larger conversation about policing, mental health, and the future of public safety in America.